Whatever. Hold on. Oh, the lights are on. Okay, well that's as best as it gets. Hello, Warcy. Y'all, this boy cries whenever I am not holding him. He's going to cry. But anyway, Camden's down there playing with him. Yes. He's spinning around in a circle. Yeah, that's funny. But happy Monday, you guys. Y'all, like, God literally woke me up this morning. Like, I know he woke you up too. I know. But no, he literally woke me up this morning. So, let me tell y'all. So, I told myself I was gonna get up at 5 and do a devotion and like go do my workout and stuff. Y'all, Carson would not go to sleep last night. He was tossing and turning and just restless. And so 5 o'clock came and I was so tired. I was like, oh my God, I'm so sleepy. And I was like, I don't feel like doing a workout right now, so maybe I should just like, you know, do my devotion and everything later. And God was like, no, get up. And I was like, but I'm tired. Like, I'm so tired. I'm not even gonna feel like doing my workout after. I'm gonna go back to sleep. And he was like, let me be the judge of that. Like, spend your time with me and then see how tired you are after. So I was like, bet, like, shoot, let me get up. Let me get up. So I got up and I got dressed, came downstairs. Did I sit on the couch? Lord, I don't even remember, but I think I did sit on the couch. And I did my devotion and my prayer and everything. And y'all, I went straight to my workout, finished my workout, got on my power hour with my team. And so God woke me up this morning. Hi, buddy. So that was a great feeling. Camden's like staring in my face. But basically, I am making Carson and Camden some breakfast right now. I'm gonna try mushing up a boiled egg for Carson. Literally every time I eat boiled eggs, like he's about to snatch it out my hand. So I'm like, let me see if, I know he likes eggs, but let me see if he'll eat this boiled egg. I tried vlogging yesterday, but I probably will delete that because I look a hot mess right now, but I looked a hot mess yesterday. Basically, I was just sharing that after our trip, I came home and I had the stomach bug. Taylor had got the stomach bug Wednesday before our trip. So we left for Friday. Wednesday, she got sick with the stomach bug. She was like back to herself by Friday. I was like, God, please don't let us get sick on this trip. And he did not let us get sick. None of us got sick. But I got a cold because it was so cold in Florida. So when I came back home, my immune system was so compromised, I guess, that I just caught the germs that were left over from her stomach bug and I got sick. So I've been recovering all week and I'm better. I'm super better now. Yeah, God is good. I have did a lot more. I don't even know if I showed y'all my office. Y'all, like, I don't even know what this house look like. Like, I don't even know. Like, where are you, Tierra? I know. But anyway, the boys are right here. Carsey Wars, where you going? Camden, say good morning. Good morning. Carson always messes with that little thing. And look, big brother. Hey, Carson. Hi, Smiley. Hi, kitty pie. Y'all, he is a happy baby. Let me check on this bacon. I'm gonna get back with y'all later.
Netflix.
Where is he? What you eating, player? What you eating, player?
Dad.
Yeah.
I want to watch Trolls, not...
Your two movies, man. Woo! Got you. Cam, what you talking about?
Huh? Yes?
What you talking about?
What?
Are you gonna eat food? Or are you full?
Eat full.
You full? You sure?
Yep. Okay.
Or so you want more?
Cam, you're not supposed to be having a time.
Who said? Taylor always telling somebody. How about we start snitching on you?
Jasper.
Huh? How about we start snitching on you? Meanwhile, this dude turned the spaghetti up. Chilling.
Dad, that's Mom's arena.
What? I made the spaghetti. That's why y'all eating it up like that.
No, Mom made it.
I made I made the best spaghetti, don't I?
No, you don't. Mom does.
Yeah, okay. Oh, look at you, ready.
It's weird that dads are farther on and they're older than the dads.
Not necessarily, not every. All right, let me get put the camera back on you. Not every woman or girl is older than like
I know.
a male or boy.
I know.
So you basically saying that since mommy's older than me,
Yeah.
she should be taller than me?
Yes.
Man, get out of here. Like, get out of here.
Should be.
Yeah, alright, man. I'm gonna holler at you, man. We get back to
Yeah, I'm
y'all.
watching Gasper. Remember the movie?
Wash these hands. How about that?
A way of sending information to people.
As a communication.
A place where people live and play and work.
Community.
A way for people to move. A way to move people and things from one place to another.
Transportation.
Correct.
Oh, you forgot one. A way of, yeah, never mind. So I did that one. Let's see. 5. The number of people living in a community.
A long time?
No.
I didn't say it yet.
Okay.
The number of people living in a community. It starts with C. No. C-O.
It does not start with C.
That's crazy. Does it start at the N?
No.
What?
Here's your water for tomorrow.
Thank you. Oh my goodness, I keep forgetting this one.
Population.
Copulation.
Who?
I said copulation.
Pop.
Oh, population.
Girl.
Hi everyone, my name is Taylor, and
They know your name.
I'm gonna be vlogging. To Mom, can I show them your office?
No.
Okay. My mom got a new office. I don't know. See Carson.
Back the camera.
And my brother's right here. Say hey, Cam. Say hey.
You want to try it, Taylor?
Okay, never mind. What is it?
Taylor's gonna try spaghetti squash for the first time.
Spaghetti squash.
So basically, spaghetti noodles are not as healthy. Squash is a vegetable.
Okay, I just want.
So it looks like spaghetti, right?
Yeah.
So it's a healthier spaghetti.
I want a little bit.
Girl, try it. Try it. What do you think?
It's good, actually.
Exactly.
Oh,
Nope. Carry on.
okay, bye. And Cam's watching. I have no idea, I forgot. And Carson is over here somewhere. I have no idea, but he's probably upstairs. Wait, no. Yeah, he's upstairs. And I have my neck clothes on. I already took a bath. And I'm all ready to go to bed and eat first and just watch TV in my room. And that's all I want to tell you guys. Bye. Oh, it's not going off.
Let go. Little thief. Little thief. What are you doing? Say mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say mama. Say mama.
Camden.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Carson. Carson, say bye-bye. Perfection. So where I did while out. Ouch. I have more space on this side right here than I do right there. But I don't care. I don't care. I like it. Oh, just my babies. So, this is what it looks like. I think it looks good, y'all. I love it. Alright, you guys, so I'm about to edit my vlog. I wanted to say this is the end of this vlog. We really didn't do much today, or I said today, we didn't do much this week. It was a back to school week for my kids. Taylor had a lot of tests. She also has practice like 3 days a week. So we've been on the move. So I did get the bits and pieces that I could without neglecting my IG family. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If so, drop a comment below and I will respond later.